Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to pay with QR code on PayPal. PayPal makes it easy to create and use your own QR code for quick payments. Firstly, launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap the QR code icon in the upper right corner. Now on the QR code menu, tap your code to view your personal PayPal QR code. Now, tap the download icon at the bottom of it to download it. Now, save your code to your phone. PayPal QR code will be saved to your phone, gallery or album. You can now share it or print it for quick and easy payments. And done, you now have your own PayPal QR code saved and ready to use. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.